So this morning we are going to run through your home exercises. These are the exercises you're going to be practicing at home twice a day, every day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, just to keep the leg mobile, to start building up the strength around the leg and to make sure that we get you up and going. So we're going to start off at the bottom just with your foot pumps, pulling the toes up towards the nose and pressing all the way down. As you do that, you are getting good movement through the ankle joint, you're getting a little bit of calf movement, really good for circulation. And then last one, and relax. The next one we do is your thigh contraction. So with that, I'm going to ask you to push the back of the thighs down onto the bed, and you are going to tighten the thighs as you do so. So try and squash my fingers. Beautiful. And relax again. And again, squashing my fingers and relax. So you get a really nice thigh activation. 2 more. And last one. Beautiful. We're then going to move into your heel slide. Remember, with your heel slide, you don't bend your hip more than 90 degrees. So slowly sliding the foot towards you and then gently sliding back down. Really good. For 2 and for 3. That's excellent. We're then going to take this pillow and pop it underneath the leg. From here, I'd like you to just lift the foot off the bed, tightening the thigh, and then lower the foot back down. And we're going to work into your windscreen wiper exercise, which is taking the leg out and in. You will feel a little bit of a tension at the outside of the hip. To lift it ever so slightly just to clear the bed, but I'm very happy for you to still slide it on the bed. I'm going to lower your backrest down. We're going to do your bridging exercise. That's for your glutes and for your hamstrings. So let's slide your left leg bent, foot onto the bed, right leg comes up to join. Feet and knees stay parallel, so you don't let the legs roll inwards, and then you just squeeze your buttocks and lift your hips up off the bed. Very nice. Slowly back down. See how this leg wants to roll inwards? Try not let that happen. Okay, so as you keep it steady, you activate the side of the buttock muscle just to keep nice stability at the pelvis. That's brilliant. For the grand finale, straight leg raise. So this leg can actually stay bent. This one is going to straighten out. And then I'd like you to think of keeping the leg as straight as possible and lifting that leg up just in line with the opposite thigh. That's it. Very good. You'll feel that as you lift and lower, the knee has a tendency to want to start bending. So try and keep it straight and take it all the way down to the bed when you lower, and then initiate again. That's it. Very good. So remember, when we get up, always on this side of the bed, and you move the legs across, turn the upper body, and then just pause in that position. Just catch your breath for a seckie there. Remember, saw leg forward, saw leg down. Get your balance in standing first. All right, crutches forwards, then your saw leg, then your good leg. That's it. Very nice. Slowly get the rhythm. We're going to turn to the left. Very good. And then you're going to come and stand just here at the side of the sink. You're going to place one hand on either side, and then we're going to work through your standing exercises. That's it. So first things first, we are going to work your calves. So feet stay parallel, and you are going to just lightly hold the sink for balance, rising up onto your toes and then lowering back down. Beautiful. Yes, that's perfect. Try and think of growing tall with the crown of the head. There we go. Excellent. Now I'd like you to stand on your unoperated leg, and we are going to bend the other knee. So I want you to think of taking your heel back towards your bottom. As you bend the knee backwards, you activate your hamstring and you get a bit of a stretch in your quad, and then lower that foot down just to touch. And again, excellent. As you do that, Mr. DaCosta, stand up tall. That's it. And try not to pull the knee forward. So try and keep the leg back in line with the body. Yes, exactly. So that you really get that nice hamstring activation. 1. Beautiful. And 2. 3. Just bending the knee slightly as if you're going to sit back onto a chair, and then slowly stand up tall again. Perfect, like that. No lower than that for now. It's just about getting the movement, okay? The key is, in your squat, if you pause on your next one, if you look down, you should be able to see your toes. All right, so bend the knees. If you can't see your toes, it means that you've pushed your knees forward too far. Standing on the left leg, you're going to stand up nice and tall. Right leg's on that left foot. I can see they're flying high. That's perfect. Good. 3 and 2 and 1. Very good. Once again, we are going to swap side. And you really don't have to move the leg too far. It's just about getting that little bit of stability on the right side while moving the left.